So today we're going to look at instantly installing applications onto your Firestick. The process will also work for instantly installing applications onto your Android TV device, or any device to be fair, but I've made something really simple for you. So you can send something directly, instantly, once linked from your phone to your Firestick. Once you've done the link once, you won't have to do it again. It will remember that link, so you can just, if you have a phone, or you can find what you want on your phone, and then just send it over to your Firestick. Makes life so much easier. So first you're going to do is hit that follow button or hit subscribe, whatever you're watching on, for free. Then we're going to get the FireSend app. And don't say, oh yeah, FireSend again. I've made some changes. A lot of you have said it was a little bit complicated, so we've added a simpler option as well for you, as well as the people who want the more advanced options. So get your FireSend on your Firestick. You'll see me doing it underneath. So you just search FireSend in your Amazon App Store. Just search FireSend. F-I-R-E, FireSend, and install this, okay? Once you've got it installed on your device, make sure you get it open, and you'll load in. And on the home screen now, we have added link account to make life that bit easier, okay? So down there, you'll see FireSend link account. What you can now do is link that to your account on your phone. So I'm going to load up my phone. FireSend, if you want it on your Android phone, is available in the Google Play Store. So just search FireSend, and I'll open it up on my phone, which is over there. And what you'll see is I'm logged in. If you're not logged in or haven't got an account, you can create one. So let's just do it as if we are not logged in. So this is a fresh FireSend on my phone, right? Click the TV icon in the top. You can now pair to TV. So if you'd like to pair to your TV, you will need to be logged in or sign up for an account. These are free, 100% free. So I'm going to quickly log in. So I'm now logged in on my phone. So all you do, once you've logged in, a bit like you would if you were linking any app, you can just click on link account on your TV and then you type in your code, okay? So we can link to TV. TV connected. And what you'll see is that's now connected underneath, and we have my login name down there, everything. So we are now linked between my phone and the TV, my Firestick. So far, so good. If you get a little bit confused, it's not as bad. And on the website, there is written examples on how to do this, how-to guides, those sort of things. Now you are linked, you don't need to do that again. So what you can do then is open your remote control on there, on your phone, and you can send an app to the TV. So you could choose your app to send. So you can go through your apps, and if you have an app on there you want to send over, you can just send it straight over. So you can scroll through, nice and easy. A bit like Apps to Fire used to work, but this you don't need to be on a local network. You can send it without even being on the same Wi-Fi or anything. So you can scroll down and find an app. I will send in, it doesn't really matter. Let's send over Find Film. That will send. And what it will do is up on your screen, install this app. And what will happen is you will go to install it. If it popped up saying download failed, there's a reason. Download Find Film failed. If blocked, go to settings, My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps. Like anything on a Firestick, you should try and make sure it's set up to install unknown apps. So you go to your settings if you haven't already. Majority of yours will work straight away. But as we're doing it step by step as a fresh install, you go to My Fire TV and developer options. If you don't have your developer options, click on About. Click on where it says Fire TV 7 times, become a developer. Developer options, install unknown apps, and you turn it on for FireSend. Okay, same as you would for any app. Now when in your FireSend, if you choose to send that app again, it will work with no problem. So let's go and find an app we can send again. We can send over Find Film again. It doesn't really matter. It's just a simple app. So from here, you can click install, or you can click decline. Click install. That will trigger the downloader, and you have installed it directly from your phone. Nice and easy. It will obviously pop up with installed or not installed, depending if it's compatible or not. Obviously, this is just a test app sending over just to show you what can be done. So there's a few new features on there now, which is really useful. For those who need to know more about FireSend, do remember to check out the FireSend.download website. But if you're on your phone, you've already got the app, so you can have a look at the raffles on your phone. If you can have a look at browsing suggested rooms, which are in there as well, where you'll see different room codes you can use. You can create your own rooms. You can obviously get VIP, which gives you lifetime rooms, so you can share files all the time. But this new bit means you don't need to create a room. You can just send it directly if you have it on your phone. That's the fastest route we can do now. We can now send much easier, much quicker, and that's a nice simple option for those who don't want the full layout and use everything. This is going to be a good thing. Soon we might even add a few little navigation controls, so you don't even need your Firestick remote while using the FireSend app, but we're going to work on those. We can't keep adding features. Brilliant. If you need to unpair your device, if you click on the TV icon again, manage devices, you can go down, unpair your Fire TV device, and that will unpair. Or you can unpair on the Firestick itself. Just click on it and log out. Nice and simple, and that should log it out from your phone and vice versa. A few little tweaks are coming. Obviously you do see a little banner right at the top, which will be there on your Firestick or on your phone. But if you are VIP, they do disappear as well as more entries for the raffles and more spins. So not more entries, but more spins for points. Brilliant. So I've been Dr. Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy that new one. Get it installed, the latest update, and I'll see you soon.